Hi friends, Colin here with an exciting announcement. Today I'm announcing the formation of the Fleet Remarketing Industry Council. And why? Well, for years I've always studied the data coming from vehicles in the fleet world and the discounts that the fleet owners receive during the life of the vehicle, from reduced insurance through even just better management of its maintenance, its routine maintenance, indicating whether a accident has occurred or not. And I've always wondered why that doesn't translate to the sale at the end of the first owner's ownership and it goes to the second owner. And I think it's really part of the ecosystem's problem where, it's not my problem. I want to sell the vehicle to the secondary owner. Auctions are involved, of course, title registration. But I kind of feel that there's extra value locked up on some of these fleet vehicles that we should be unlocking for the fleet manager and even for the secondary buyer. In some markets, like the public sector, often a public sector vehicle is resold to another public sector owner. And there's just got to be more life to the vehicle's value than simply the transaction of make, model, year, and an odometer reading. And that's what we're going to do at the Fleet Remarketing Industry Council. We are going to go and combine the ecosystem, the OEM stakeholders, the fleet management stakeholders, title and registration people, of course, but all the way through maintenance, insurance, warranty. We're going to investigate new products that we can create so that the fleet owner can go and finally, I think, realize the value of their close attention to maintenance detail, safety behind the wheel, and really a data-driven performance, a data-driven life over that first owner's life cycle that I think we can make a product to evolve into the second owner's life. And I think that that's a really important concept that we are going to bring to light. So at Fleet Forward Conference in October, on the Monday, we are going to have our very first meeting of the Fleet Remarketing Industry Council. It will be open to all people in the industry, from OEMs, fleet management partners, telematics providers, maintenance folks, our title and registration partners, vehicle movement partners, everyone who's involved in the ecosystem surrounding fleet, whether it's the first owner and making sure that we're capturing the right points of data that translates into value at the second owner's buyer experience. So join us at Fleet Forward in October for the inaugural meeting of the Fleet Remarketing Industry Council. And note, next April at NAFA on April 15th, the North American Fleet Administrators Conference, we will be having our CAR conference, the Conference of Automotive Remarketing. It's our annual event. Typically in the past, it's been for consigners and auctions. We're bringing it back to fleet in April 2026. It's all about us in the fleet world. And we're going to make sure that we're again having that meeting of the Fleet Remarketing Industry Council held at CAR 2026. And we're going to join together with an award ceremony, the consignor of the year, the auction of the year, and also stay tuned for some new awards to recognize the fleet remarketing ecosystem itself. So I'm excited about this announcement. I can't wait to see you in San Diego in October. And please join the Fleet Remarketing Industry Council. Join us at our meeting. This is not a membership drive. We're not asking for dollars. We're asking for your active participation and your voice to help us set the right charter and the right products that we're going to evolve over time to help you in the fleet industry really get maximum value. Again, acknowledging maximum value for your vehicle, collecting the right data from the day one of your first ownership so that we can see it through to the secondary owner and you realize that value when it's times to remarket. So I look forward to seeing you in October in San Diego. We'll see you then, and let's keep talking. Thanks.